Hi, good day. My name is Mary Joy Daitok. I am 30 years old. I am not married. I am a single mother of 3 for 2 years. My work experience before in the Kuwait, I'm taking care of 2 kids, 3 years old and 3 months old. I do all houses chores there also. And then the last work experience is in the Saudi. I am came back here in the Philippines last December 4, 2024. My work there is all our houses course. Uh, I don't have any kids there, but they all adult. They are all 7 in the family. And then I can work with or without someone or coworker. My personality is I am flexible in all work, and then I am learning more experience at work. I am first timer also in Hong Kong. My preferred job is does not matter. I can do all houses chores or even taking care of the pets, even taking care of the adult or the baby or newborn.